Crude oil has had a big run over the past few months, but are there more gains still to come ahead? Welcome to Trading Nation. I'm Courtney Reagan. I'm joined today by Ari Wald of Oppenheimer and Boris Schlossberg of BK Asset Management. Ari, let's start with you. Where do you see crude oil going from here? Even further up?
I think so, yes. Speaking in terms of West Texas Intermediate, looking out into 2017, we think crude oil makes its way to $62. This was oil's peak during the summertime of 2015, and what gives us encouragement here is that oil has reversed a multi-year downtrend. It's more recently completed a year-long bottoming formation, and in the charts we can see it's got a rising 200-day moving average as well. So the trend is a tailwind here. I think it's most likely going to be a sluggish grind higher. I think the strong dollar, due to their inverse correlation, could provide a little bit of a headwind. And from a near-term trading basis, I think $50 is support here. I think you want to buy the pullbacks. Because looking out over the coming months, we think crude oil is going higher.
Now, OPEC has given a lot of support for crude oil prices, at least with what they say they're going to do to production. Boris, do you agree with Ari, or do you look at these players and think, I'm not so sure?
I would agree with Ari that we definitely have based, but I would be much more likely to want to buy the pullback than try to chase this rally. I think there's very, very limited upside here in this rally. Perhaps, yes, he's right, we can slowly trade our way to 60, but there are two things that really concern me. One is OPEC cheating, which is almost inevitably going to happen, and two, frackers coming online the moment we hit 55, 60, because it becomes economically viable for them. And third, the demand itself, the sort of secular demand for crude, I think is at best tapered. So I think there's just a lot of headwind for a breakout rally here for oil. I would definitely be buying the pullbacks because I think it's certainly definitely bottomed out, but I don't see too much potential to the upside.
Very interesting. So you both think we've bottomed out, but as far as how far you'll run, perhaps a little bit decided here on either side of that line. Thank you so much, Boris and Ari, and thank you for joining us on Trading Nation. I'm Courtney Reagan.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.